Hello, good morning everyone. I am Professor V.D. Kamble. Welcomes you all in the 3 days webinar series on career and skill prospects for civil engineer. Today is the second day of our webinar series, and yesterday we have session 1 and session 2 are conducted by the eminent resource person Ade sir and Kasar sir, and he has both delivered session on advanced construct Excel techniques in quantity estimation, and Kasar sir has delivered and session on career opportunities in the field of real estate sectors for the civil engineers. Now today is the second day of our webinar series, and for the session first we have resource person with us, Dr. Eddie Bosle sir. Sir will deliver 1 hour session on the topic career opportunities in the field of concrete technology. And I would like to introduce our resource person for today's session, Dr. Eddie Bosle sir. Sir has completed graduation degree from RIT Shivaji University, completed MTech from VTU Belgaum in structural engineering. Sir has got PhD, awarded as PhD in structural engineering from SPC College of Engineering, Andheri. Sir has a vast teaching experience of 26 years, and sir has an industrial experience of 4 years. Bosle sir has worked as an ex-HOD in the Civil Engineering Department of Garda Institute of Technology. Till date, sir has published total 11 international papers. Also, he has attended various international conferences. Sir is also a very active member in the curriculum syllabus design of Mumbai University. Sir is also a lifetime member of the IST, and Sir has awarded 5 times as an precious best teacher in Garda Institute of Technology. I welcome you, Dr. Eddie Bhosle sir. It's a great pleasure to have you, sir, as a resource person in this session 1 of this webinar series. I once again welcome you, Bhosle sir. Now I request Bhosle sir to start their session. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, you can present your slide. I
Yes,
have
sir.
present.
Sir, slide is visible.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now slide is visible.
Okay, sir. Good morning to one and all. Garda Foundations, Garda Institute of Technology level, Department of Civil Engineering. Now today, in this second day of our webinar, we will see the job opportunities in concrete technology. Job opportunities in concrete technology. Now, content of this presentation are like this one. Now we will see what is civil engineering, then civil engineering areas, civil engineering career options, why is civil engineering important, and how I benefit from being a civil engineer. Those are the content of today's presentation. Now we will see what is civil engineering. Civil engineering is one of the oldest branch of engineering that deals with planning, construction, and maintenance of fixed structures or public works as they are related to earth, water, or civilization and their processes. In short, civil engineering, in this we will plan, we will construct, and we will maintain various types of structure. Okay. In general, we will say in civil engineering, we will plan, we will construct, and we will maintain various types of structures. Okay. So this branch is called as an civil engineering. Now, civil engineering has 5 areas. Now, first one is environmental engineering. Second one, geotech and materials engineering. Third one is structural engineering. Fourth, transportation engineering. And fifth one is water resource engineering. Those are the 5 areas of civil engineering. What do civil engineers do? Okay. What is the, in short, duty of civil engineer? Now, civil engineer design critical infrastructures. Okay, he can design critical infrastructures like roads, bridges, water treatment and supply units, wastewater treatment and disposal units, buildings, railroads, airports, waste management system units, etc. Okay, civil engineer design critical infrastructure like those one. Now, first we will see in short environmental engineering. Environmental engineering. Environmental engineering deals with air pollution control, hazardous waste treatment, water supply, wastewater management, storm water management, and solid waste disposal. Okay, so this environmental engineering deal about those points. Now, environmental engineering, water treatment and distribution, air pollution control, solid and hazard waste management. In solid and hazard waste management, we will recycle the waste product, we will reuse it, and we will reduce the wastage. Okay, so we will use 3 R's: recycle, reuse, and reduce. Wastewater treatment and disposals. Okay, so those are the now second type is structural engineering. Okay, second area of civil engineering is structural engineering. In structural engineering, we will design building structures, various types of building structures. Okay, now in this we will use earthquake engineering. Now see this figure second. Okay, now this first figure is shown without vibration control device. Okay, this is a multi-storied building subjected to, suppose, earthquake forces. Due to this, what will happen? The deflection of that structure will be takes place. If we cannot use vibration control device, then see at the top, this arrow shows, suppose this much is the deflection. And second figure, if we use vibration control devices, then after using vibration control devices in the structure, the deflection is shown by this arrow. Means the deflection of the structure will be reduced. Okay, so in earthquake engineering, we will use various displacement device by which we will prevent the or minimize the deflection of the structure. Okay, so in earthquake engineering, we will study those points or parameters. Now, civil engineering structures like bridges, dam, roads, etc. Okay, so design of bridges, design of dam, design of roads, okay, design of buildings or any type of structure comes under structural engineering. Okay, comes under structural engineering. Now, structural engineering consists of buildings, tower and columns, dam and bridges. Okay. Now, transportation engineering. Next area of civil engineering is transportation engineering. Now, transportation engineering is divided into following subtypes. Okay. Now, first one is highway engineering. Next one is port and harbor engineering. Next, airport engineering. And railroad engineering. Okay, so transportation engineering is divided into those following subtypes. Now, transportation engineering includes roadways, airport, port facilities, traffic control, pavement marking, intelligent transportation system. Now, next area of civil engineering, water resource engineering. Water resource engineering include storm sewers, water resource planning, dams, irrigation systems, water distribution system, and groundwater modeling. Okay, water resource engineering. Okay, include those points or those parameters. Okay. Now, geotechnical and material engineering. Geotechnical and material engineering deals with concrete, pavements, foundations, dams, soil properties, and site studies. Okay, soil properties and site studies. Geotechnical engineering, soil properties and mechanics. Okay, soil properties, and we will study soil properties and the properties of this any type of material. Material engineering, okay, concrete, asphalt, etc. Foundation engineering, okay. Now, concrete technology. Concrete technology, in concrete technology, the civil engineer is having following job recruitments. Okay, in RMC plant, he will work as a plant manager, lab technician in RMC plant, sales executive, sales manager, sales engineer, ready mix concrete plant, glass fiber reinforced concrete GRC foreman. Okay, civil engineer will work as a foreman also. Okay, quality control civil inspector. Okay. Civil or concrete inspector. Okay. Now we will see the role of quality assurance or quality control executive. Civil project engineer, site engineer, or civil designer. Sales and marketing. So those are the job opportunities in concrete technology. We will see one by one in short. Now, RMC plant manager. Okay, RMC plant manager. RMC means ready mix concrete. Oh, ready mix concrete plant manager. So see what are the duties of RMC plant manager. Manage ready mix concrete plant production and operation. Okay, manage ready mix concrete plant production and operation. Implement new techniques to improve sale and control the sales executives. Okay, we have to adopt new techniques. Okay, for to improve the sales. Ensure maintenance cost in line with the budget. Track the life cycle of each of the spare parts. Prepare, consolidate, and analyze plant plan and budget. Deploy manpower at site for smooth execution of force. Ensure closure of sale targets within the price range specified in the SOP. Design and implement periodic preventive maintenance for the plant. Okay, periodic maintenance is also comes under RMC plant manager. Optimize the route plan of truck for safety and timely delivery. Okay, so route plan also managed or optimized by this RMC plant manager. Perform site appraisal prior to pour with respect to determining shortest mortar-able route, conditions of site, matching of time, and pour with client, measurement if required, and quality control infrastructure of client. Plan the installation of pump and pipelines, movement of the truck, and movement of application engineers for the concreting sites. Maintaining relationship with customer, vendor, supplier, and also internally in organization. Must have knowledge on concrete production and transportation. So those are the duties of RMC plant manager. Okay, RMC plant manager. Okay, this is a RMC plant. Now, next post, lab technician in RMC plant. Lab technician in RMC plant. Now, civil engineer having knowledge of pre and post concrete supervision, concrete mix design, checking of shuttering and reinforcement as per the drawing, and having 5 to 7 years of experience. Okay, so those civil engineer is eligible for this post. Okay, lab technician, RMC plant. Okay, now the core responsibility of lab technician are like this one: to undertake overall project quality management, to improve project quality, planning, and quality control, preparation of different design mix of the concrete. Okay, the lab technician prepare different design mix concrete and suggest out of those which is better, to implement of company quality procedure as per ISO requirement and in-house audit, to control non-conforming products at site and ensuring inspection of all incoming materials, to facilitate in-house test for ready-mix concrete ingredients, to prepare project quality plan, monitor quality calculation and quantity and cost information. The sampling of concrete ingredient like cement, aggregate, water, admixture at storage yard as per the relevant specification. Testing of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, concrete, slump, density, yield, flow, compaction factor, compressive strength, etc. as per work instruction. Okay, relevant specification. Okay, he will test, okay, the material, okay, like this one as per the requirement. Register maintenance and preparing all test report according to ISO standard formats in QA/QC lab sites. Okay, QA quality assurance, QC quality control of lab sites. So those are the responsibilities of lab technician in RMC plant. So those are some photographs. Okay. Now next post, sales executive, sales manager, or sales engineer in ready mix concrete plant. Okay, sales executive or sales manager or sales engineer. Now we will see what are the duties of sales executive. See, experience in sales and marketing of ready mixed concrete or building material product. Okay, civil engineer should have the experience in sales and marketing, okay, of ready mixed concrete or building material products. Okay, building material products. Manage client base through excellent follow-up on leads of existing and new client. Working actively on the scheduled appointment with builder, architecture, and contractor. Okay. Customer visiting, meeting, negotiations, closing deals. Okay. Preparation, preparing quotations, submitting to the customer, and follow up. Okay. So he will prepare quotations, submit to the required customers, and also take the follow-up of that quotations. Maintaining customer database record, okay, for future reference. Ensure current client retention and repeat business from the existing client. Follow up with collection team for collection of payment. Okay, so sales executive also help to the collection team for collection of the payment or the collection of the payment. Assist general manager for deciding pricing strategy, new project finalization. Okay, so those are the some duties of sales executive or sales manager or sales engineer. Now, next post, glass fiber reinforced concrete GRC foreman. Glass fiber reinforced concrete GRC foreman. Through knowledge of GRC production and erection activities, okay, civil engineer should have a good knowledge of GRC production and erection activity. Erection activity means, now see here, this GRC product is installed here as a partition wall. So this is the erection. Okay, this is erection. Okay, and this figure shows the production. So civil engineer should have the knowledge of production and erection of GRC if he wants to work as a foreman in GRC. Okay. Now see this figure. Now glass fiber reinforced concrete. Okay, this consists of, okay, bottom is a concrete, bottom layer or plate is of concrete. Next, GFRP shear grid. Okay, this is GFRP shear grid. Now above this is a wire mesh. This is wire mesh. Okay, and this middle portion is a insulation material. This is a insulator. Okay. So the duties of foreman are like this one: handle a team of skilled and unskilled worker at site. Okay, knowledge of safety standard. Okay, to prevent any accident or damage on the site, he should have the knowledge of safety standards. Okay. Awareness and implementation of PPE and site safety. Can handle tower crane and transport vehicles. Computer literate report writing, spares and material requesting. Planning of production in the plant. Okay, foreman, he will plan the production in the plant. Desired candidate profile: good planner and knowledge of drawing, production and erection work on the site. Okay, so those are the some duties and requirement of GRC foreman. Okay, of GRC foreman. Now, quality control civil inspector. Quality control civil inspector. Quality control civil inspector. The job description: familiar with international codes, standards, inspection and testing requirement of civil activities. Carry out inspections with the client and subcontractor for all related quality and inspections. Review company specifications, drawing, method, statement, quality control procedure and inspection test plans. Maintain daily report and log of daily activities. Okay, so those are the some duties of quality control civil inspector. Okay, attend witness and hold point identified in the concrete quality, checking slump, temperature, delivery time, kind of mix, and if concrete are poured within the allotted time. Pre-structure inspection prior to the concreting. Okay, he should carry out the pre-structure inspection before the concreting. Check steel and bar arrangement, size as per drawing, formwork integrity and strength, dimensional checking, job details, familiar with international code, standards, inspection and testing requirement of civil activities. Okay. Those are the some duties of quality control civil inspector. Now, civil or concrete inspector. Civil or concrete inspector. Now, role of quality assurance or quality control executive. Role of quality assurance or quality control executive. He must know the skill of or key skill of piling, civil engineering, installation, asphalt, road, inspection, soil, as the knowledge of inspector, concrete, foundation, and testing, quality assurance or quality control executive should have all knowledge of those points as listed here. Knowledge of all those points or experience of those points as listed here. Now, careers in concrete, sales and marketing. Okay, careers in concrete, sales and marketing. Okay, now concrete and concrete product. Okay, sales and marketing, sales and marketing. Okay, concrete and concrete product. We will sell concrete and its concrete product. Okay, we will sell and market of concrete and concrete product. Cement and admixtures. Okay, cement and admixtures. Contracting services and equipments. Okay, so we will develop our career in concrete, in sales and marketing like this one. Okay, concrete and concrete product. Okay, cement and admixtures, contracting services and equipments. Okay, those which are required for the concrete purpose. Okay, for the concrete purpose. Now, civil engineering career options. Civil engineering career options. Now, civil engineer do the job in consulting firm. Okay, in private industry or in government agency. Okay, consulting firm or private industry or in government agencies. So working in a consulting firm. Okay, first is working in a consulting firm. Now perform engineering for outside clients. Okay, solve engineering problems for clients. For example, design of bridge, building, etc. Involved with a project from the outset. Work closely with the client, managing the project on their behalf. Involves occasional visits to the site, but largely office-based. Okay, so if in consulting firm, those are the work which is listed here. Okay, those are the work which is listed here. Now, career options in civil engineering, government agencies. Okay, government agencies, environmental agencies, highway departments, Department of Defense. Okay, Department of Defense, US Army, Corps of Engineers, Service Branch, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, okay, etc. And Department of Agriculture. Department of Agriculture, Forest Service, Agriculture Research Stations. Okay, so those are the government agencies. Okay, in this, civil engineer will choose their career. Now, see this figure. Can you find at least one object in this picture that involves a civil engineer specializing in the area of environmental or geotechnical or structural or transportation or water resource engineering? Okay, this is a picture or a photo. Now in this, identify the area where civil engineering or civil engineer had performed the work. Okay. Now here, first one area is storm sewer system. Okay. Storm sewer system. Okay. Now next one is signal. Okay. Signal transportation engineering. Okay. Street and sidewalks. Okay. Transportation engineering. Pavement marking. Okay. Pavement marking. Next, column support. Okay, column support. This back structure. Okay, column support. Okay, this is the structure. Okay, now this is a retaining wall. Okay, now this is pole foundation. Solid waste disposal. Okay, this is a solid waste disposal containers. Okay, so solid waste disposal. Okay, so those are areas where we are working, civil engineers are working. Okay, now why is civil engineering important? Screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Screen is visible.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now we will see why is civil engineering important. Keeps people safe. Okay, how we will keep people safe? Buildings that don't collapse, by constructing the building which don't collapse. Water that won't make you sick. Transportation system that minimize hazards. Environment free of harmful pollutant. Okay, by this we will keep people safe and provide infrastructure that improves economy and lifestyle. This is we will achieve by transportation of people and goods, productive work, space, buildings, healthy water to drink and air to breathe. So due to this civil engineering is important. Now, how would I benefit from being a civil engineer? In civil engineering, there is excellent job security. Okay, sectors are many: government sector, public sector, private sector. Okay, so we have different job opportunities. So excellent job security. Satisfaction of doing something important. Okay, we will get satisfaction of doing something important. Work on projects that allow me to use my creativity. We will use our creativity in our work. So due to this, or those are the some benefits of civil engineers. Okay, thank you. This is my email ID and this is WhatsApp number. This is contact number. Okay, if anyone need, kindly take.
Thank you so much, Bhosle sir, for your valuable guidance in this session of career opportunities in concrete technology. You have also talked about the basics of civil engineering. What are the career opportunities in civil engineering in short, as well as what are the career opportunities in the, especially in the concrete technology that you have explained in a very nice manner. And I request a participant if they want to ask any queries or related to any part of the concrete technology or civil engineering, Bhosle sir, Dr. Eddie Bhosle sir is available with us. You can ask with them. ओके, जर काही तुमच्या क्वेरी असतील, डाऊट असतील, सरांना विचारायचे असतील तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. सर आपल्यासोबत आहेत. You can ask anything related to civil engineering and this corresponding session. Any doubt that may present in your mind, feel free to ask. Do not hesitate. चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाइप केलं तरी चालेल, मेसेज बॉक्स मध्ये टाइप केलं तरी चालेल, वेबिनारचा आपला ग्रुप आहे व्हॉट्सअपचा, त्याच्यावरती तुम्ही टाइप केलं तरी चालेल, सो दॅट आय कॅन शेअर विथ भोसले सर. Any doubt you can ask, because sir has given a very wonderful session. And if any doubt in your mind, anything that you want to share with sir or ask with sir, you are free to ask.
सर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेन्स मध्ये काय काय ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी असतात जरा एकदा पाच सांगता?
ओके, भोसले सर.
हा हॅलो.
डिफेन्स मध्ये कोणकोणते करिअर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज असतात असं म्हणतात सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंगचं?
डिफेन्स मध्ये पण आपल्याला ब्रिज, रोड, त्यानंतर बिल्डिंग ह्या कन्स्ट्रक्ट कराव्या लागतातच. ओके, त्यामध्ये संधी आपल्याला मिळू शकतात.
आणि नेव्ही मध्ये सर
नेव्ही मध्ये पण सिव्हिल आपला रिक्वायरमेंट असते. पोस्ट असतात नेव्ही मध्ये. आता त्या रिलेटेड नेव्ही सिव्हिलच्या पोस्ट असतात नेव्ही मध्येही.
Thank you, Lord Shardul, for asking your question. Anybody want to ask anything? Bhosle sir, can we set up our own RMC plant? What things are required? Any experience or which things are required?
To set up RMC plant. RMC plant, for RMC plant, knowledge of concrete is necessary.
Okay.
Concrete. Afterward, its ingredient, cement, sand, properties are we know. We also again know the different types of grade of concrete, their proportion.
Okay.
And again we should know the sufficient knowledge of mixed design, placing of concrete, mixing of concrete, okay, transportation of concrete. Okay, those knowledge any engineer should know.
Okay, thank you, sir. Any other question from participants? Only one participant has asked the doubt or the query.
हेलो सर, PPT सेंड करा बघ.
हो हो चालेल पीपीटी पाठव.
You can type in the our WhatsApp group also. You are free. Because theme of our webinar is career and skill prospect for civil engineer. And sir has talked perfectly about the career opportunity in concrete technology, especially.